A CNC machine, which stands for Computer Numerical Control Machine, is one of the most important developments in modern mechanical and engineering work. It combines mechanical systems, electrical components, and computer programming to perform highly accurate and repeatable machining operations. In industries where precision, speed, and consistency are required, CNC machines play a vital role. Mechanical work and engineering work are deeply connected in the functioning of a CNC machine, as physical force, motion, energy, design principles, and control systems work together to produce finished parts. Mechanical work in a CNC machine begins with the basic concept of force and motion. Mechanical work is done when a force is applied to an object and the object moves in the direction of that force. In a CNC machine, this happens when cutting tools apply force to a workpiece to remove material. The electric motors inside the machine convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. This mechanical energy causes movement in different parts such as the spindle, linear axes, and rotary components. Every time the cutting tool rotates, moves forward, or presses against the material, mechanical work is being performed. The spindle is one of the most important parts of a CNC machine where mechanical work takes place. The spindle holds and rotates the cutting tool. When the spindle motor rotates the tool at high speed, mechanical energy is transferred to the tool. As the rotating tool comes into contact with the workpiece, it applies cutting force. This force overcomes the resistance of the material and removes small chips from its surface. The work done here depends on the amount of force applied and the distance through which the tool moves while cutting. Another major area of mechanical work in a CNC machine is the movement of axes. Most CNC machines operate on three main axes, X, Y, and Z. These axes control the movement of the tool or the workpiece in horizontal and vertical directions. Servo motors or stepper motors drive these axes. When a motor moves an axis, it performs mechanical work by overcoming friction and load. Linear guides, ball screws, and bearings help in smooth and accurate movement, reducing energy loss and increasing efficiency. Mechanical work is also involved in clamping and holding the workpiece. The workpiece must be firmly fixed on the machine table using clamps, vises, or fixtures. When clamping force is applied, mechanical work ensures that the workpiece does not move during machining. If the workpiece shifts even slightly, accuracy is lost. Therefore, proper mechanical design and force application are essential for stable machining operations. Engineering work in a CNC machine starts from the design stage. Engineers design the structure of the CNC machine to be rigid, stable, and vibration-free. The frame and bed of the machine are usually made of cast iron or steel to absorb vibrations and support heavy loads. Structural engineering principles are applied to ensure that the machine can withstand cutting forces without bending or deforming. This engineering work directly affects machining accuracy and tool life. Mechanical engineering plays a central role in selecting materials, designing moving parts, and calculating loads and stresses. Engineers must consider torque, speed, power transmission, and mechanical efficiency. For example, they calculate how much power is required by the spindle motor to cut a specific material. They also design gear systems, belt drives, and coupling mechanisms to transmit power efficiently from motors to moving components. Electrical and electronic engineering work is equally important in a CNC machine. CNC machines use control panels, sensors, encoders, and feedback systems to monitor position, speed, and temperature. Servo motors receive signals from the controller and adjust their movement accordingly. This ensures precise control over mechanical motion. Without proper electrical engineering, mechanical work would be inaccurate and unreliable. Computer engineering and software engineering form the brain of a CNC machine. The CNC controller reads G codes and M codes, which are programmed instructions that tell the machine how to move, where to cut, and at what speed. This is engineering work related to automation and control systems. The controller converts digital commands into electrical signals, which then drive motors to perform mechanical work. In this way, engineering work acts as a bridge between computer instructions and physical motion. One of the most important aspects of engineering work in a CNC machine is accuracy and precision. Engineers work to minimize errors such as backlash, thermal expansion, and tool wear. Backlash occurs due to small gaps in mechanical components like screws and gears. Engineers reduce this problem by using preloaded ball screws and advanced control algorithms. Thermal expansion occurs when machine parts heat up during operation. Engineers design cooling systems and choose materials that reduce thermal effects. Tool selection and tool design are also part of engineering work. Different materials require different cutting tools with specific shapes, coatings, and hardness. Engineers analyze cutting forces, chip formation, and heat generation to choose the best tool. A well-designed tool reduces cutting force, improves surface finish, and increases tool life. This directly affects the quality of mechanical work performed by the CNC machine. Engineering work also includes safety design. CNC machines are equipped with protective covers, emergency stop buttons, and interlock systems. These safety features protect the operator from moving parts and flying chips. Engineers follow safety standards to ensure that the machine can be operated without risk. Proper safety engineering ensures smooth and reliable operation in industrial environments. In industrial applications, CNC machines are used for milling, turning, drilling, grinding, and engraving. Each operation involves mechanical work performed under controlled engineering conditions. For example, in CNC milling, the cutting tool rotates while the workpiece moves along different axes. In CNC turning, the workpiece rotates while the cutting tool remains stationary or moves slowly. In both cases, mechanical work and engineering control work together to achieve precise results. The importance of mechanical and engineering work in a CNC machine can be seen in mass production. CNC machines can produce thousands of identical parts with very small tolerance limits. This is possible only because engineering systems control mechanical work accurately and consistently. Human error is minimized and productivity is increased. This makes CNC machines essential in industries such as automotive, aerospace, medical equipment, and electronics. Maintenance and troubleshooting of CNC machines also involve mechanical and engineering knowledge. Engineers and technicians must understand mechanical systems, electrical circuits, and software controls to diagnose problems. Wear and tear in mechanical parts, sensor faults, or software errors can affect machine performance. Proper maintenance ensures that mechanical work remains efficient and engineering systems function correctly. In conclusion, a CNC machine is a perfect example of the integration of mechanical work and engineering work. Mechanical work involves force, motion, energy transfer, and material removal, while engineering work involves design, analysis, control, and optimization. Together, they enable the CNC machine to perform complex machining operations with high accuracy and efficiency. The success of modern manufacturing depends heavily on this combination of mechanical principles and engineering innovation. CNC machines represent the future of automated production, where intelligent engineering systems guide precise mechanical work to create high-quality product.